LakelandCarKeys.com. We got Cummins, Dodge Ram. We're gonna make them a spare key. I'm here decoding his original remote key. Gonna cut to this one and program it and get him going again. Here we are, cutting in the remote key. And we just gotta go do the programming. Alright, so our key is good. I'm going through the programming now to try to go ahead and add this new key in. The remote function should program with the key, and then we should be good to go. Alright, so our learner was successful. There's now 2 keys in the system. This is our remote here. Locks, unlocks, and runs and drives. LakelandCarKeys.com.